Hello everyone and welcome back to our grammar series. In my previous video on day 1, we talked about parts of speech where we learned how many parts of speech are there and what are these. Do you remember how many parts of speech are there? Yes, 8. And one of the most important ones is the noun. Now, let me ask you, what comes to your mind when I say the word school? And how about Taj Mahal or even the word happiness? All these words are nouns, you're right. But did you notice that they are not the same type of noun? That's exactly what are we going to do today on day 2. Types of nouns. Yes, in this video I am going to share with you different types of nouns which are really significant to learn. So, before I straight jump sharing with you the types of noun, let's rewind what is noun. So, a noun is the name of a person, place, any idea, thing or feeling. Means if you name anything like whatever I just mentioned, person, place, thing, feeling, that is noun. For instance, Priyanka, my name, is noun. Delhi, noun. Chair, table, books, happiness, honesty, etc. These all are nouns. But nouns are not the same as I just mentioned before. They are divided into different types based on their uses. So let's begin with the first type of noun, that is proper noun. So proper noun is something that is specific. The names of specific people, places or things. Like if you are saying people, word or persons, that's not specific. If you are saying the name like Rahul or Amit, that is a specific name of that person. So this is noun. Now if you mention the name of the city you are living in, that is also proper noun. You are saying Lucknow or Kolkata, okay, or you're saying the name of the state, that is Kerala. So these all are proper noun. If you are saying river, so there are many river. So river is noun, but if you name that river, that is the Ganga river, so then the Ganga, it becomes proper noun. Similarly, India, Microsoft, Taj Mahal, you're naming anything, then it is a proper noun. Now here is a very short exercise for you to figure out proper noun. So here is the sentence. My cousin lives in London. Now in this sentence, what is noun and what type of noun is that? Let me know in the comment. Now we are going to have a look at the second type of noun, and this is common noun. Common noun, the word itself suggests that it is common, not specific. So a general name for people, places, things or same kind is common noun. For instance, the word people itself is common noun. You are saying I live in a city, so city, this is not nothing specific. So city is common noun. You are saying teacher, common, river, dog or car. Now, if you are confused that how dog can be a common noun, well, so when you say dog, there are many species or breeds of dog, right? If you are naming that dog and you are specifically talking about Labrador dog, then it becomes proper noun. And if you are naming your dog, let's say you are calling your dog Rocky, so Rocky the dog, that is proper noun. Other than that, the word dog or cat, that is common noun. It is general word, right? So I hope you understood what is common noun. Now here is a mini exercise for you where you will be figuring out the common noun. So the sentence is this. The teacher gave us homework. Find the common noun in this sentence. And the answer is teacher and homework. Well done. Okay, now move on to the third type of noun, and this is concrete noun. Concrete, or you can say material. So, what is this? Something that you can see, touch, hear, or taste, that is concrete or material noun. For example, apple, music, you can hear, perfume, sand, or laptop. So if you can feel, touch, or hear, as I just shared with you the definition of concrete noun, material noun, that is material noun, okay? Or you can say concrete noun. Now here is a mini exercise. Figure out the concrete noun. Which word is a material noun? Joy, chocolate, or kindness? Well done. The concrete noun is chocolate. Great. Okay, now here we are going to learn the fourth type of noun, and this is abstract noun. Abstract. This noun is little tricky to find actually in sentences. We get sometimes confused that what is abstract noun? Let's understand this type of noun with the help of a definition. So the names of feelings, if you name that feeling or quality, ideas and things that you cannot touch or see, but you can feel or think about, these are abstract noun. You didn't get it? Let me give you some examples. For instance, love, you can feel it, you cannot touch it. Honesty, the word wisdom, courage, or you can say freedom. These all are abstract noun. Okay, so here is an exercise for you, and you have to spot the abstract noun in this sentence. And the sentence is, her courage inspired everyone. Now have a look at the fifth type of noun. It is collective noun. What is this? A word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things. Means the word that talks about the group, that suggests a group. That is collective noun. For instance, a team of players. So here the word team suggests a group of something, right? Players. So team is collective noun. You are saying a herd of cows. Herd is collective noun. And if you say a flock of birds, so the word flock is used for the group of birds. So flock is also a collective noun. Now please take this exercise and choose the correct collective noun. So the sentence is type of fill-ups. So a dash of ships sailed together. So what will you fill in this blank? Options are group, fleet, or pack. Dash of ships. And the answer is fleet of ships. So the group of ships is called fleet. Now, in order to spot the common noun in a sentence, you must be aware with different collective nouns, okay, which are used in English. So here is the list of some collective noun I am sharing with you. Try to learn a few of them so that you can understand that what are collective nouns, all right? Moving on to the next type of noun, and this is gonna be countable noun. So countable, the nouns that you can count on your fingers that you can count are countable nouns. For instance, the word book, pen, apple, car, student, table, chair, the things around you that you can count, these are countable nouns. For instance, you can say one book, two books, three books, you can count them, right? These are countable nouns. It's easy to understand. Okay, here is an exercise for you. Which of these is a countable noun? Water, money, or apple? The answer is apple. Wasn't that easy? Okay, next. Now you might get confused, like we count money also, right? We count the money. Isn't this countable noun? Well, we just count the number of the notes that we have, okay? Or we count the denomination. We don't say I have 2 money or 3 money. Do we say like that? No. So that's why this word money is not a countable noun. This is considered an uncountable noun. Now what is it? That's what we are going to do next. So here is the next type of noun, and this is uncountable noun. So the nouns that you cannot count individually, that is called an uncountable noun. For instance, milk, water, sugar, rice, information, money. So you cannot say 2 milks or waters or 3 sugars, right? So this is uncountable noun. Now, here is an exercise for you. Pick the uncountable noun in this sentence. The sentence is, the farmer harvested rice from the field. And the answer is rice. We cannot count rice individually, and hence rice is an uncountable noun. Well done. So we have just done 7 types of noun, right? So the main types of noun we studied are, let me recall. First, proper noun, specific names. Common noun, general names. Third, we did concrete noun, means material that we can touch, we can feel, we can hear, remember? And the next noun that we did was abstract noun, the opposite of concrete. The abstract noun means the feelings, the ideas, and something that we can feel, that we cannot touch. And then we did collective noun, means group of something, that is collective noun. Remember, we did fleet of ship, flock of birds, team of players, right? Okay, and the next we did countable nouns, the nouns that we can count individually. And the last which we did was uncountable noun, is something that we cannot count individually. So this is how there are 7 types of noun. And if you will find in the books, in grammar books, you will be finding there major 5 types of nouns there. And I have actually added 2 more so that it will be easier for you to learn that there are countable and uncountable noun as well. Okay, so here I have the final activity for you people, English learners. Write one sentence and identify at least 3 different types of nouns in it. For example, Rohan bought apples from the market in Delhi. So in this sentence, there are multiple types of nouns. Try to categorize. For instance, proper noun is Rohan and Delhi. In this sentence, common noun is market. It's a general word. And the countable noun is apples. Similarly, you are supposed to say a sentence, or if you are reading something, pick a sentence and start spotting the different types of noun. That's what you can do. And please share with me that sentence and your learnings in the comments. Okay, great job. Great job, everyone. Today we learned the types of noun with examples and exercises. And I hope you literally enjoyed watching this video and learning at the same time. In our day 3 grammar series, we will explore pronouns, another very interesting part of speech. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary, and get ready for tomorrow's exciting lesson. Until then, bye-bye.